This is a reconstruction of the new 3x3 world record. Finally, the sub-3 barrier has been broken. You can see the scramble up here. And from the scramble, you can see that there are so many blocks you can use for an X-cross. A very easy X-cross with blue, orange, and orange, green. But Theodore used FreeFop to take advantage of these already made pairs. So, from here, X prime, and then small r prime, U, F. We have this 2x3 block. And then to insert this while solving the pair, you can do U prime, small r, U prime, small r prime, and now we have these 3 pairs. And from this position, you can do an U2 and then insert this cross edge at the back, and that will also orient all of your edges. From here, we have this back flip edge case, and Theodore solved it with an R, U2, R2, U prime. And from here, he forced a ZBLL case that he knows by doing an U, R, U2, R prime. And then this is actually one of the easiest ZBLL, which is just the standard algorithm. F prime, wide R, U, R prime, U prime, small r prime, F, R. That was 29 moves done at 2.76 seconds.